And ball stolen. Mactalio now in hurry. Goes inside. Penetrate. Bucket. Tadeo stops. Inside pass. Celso. Fires off the window. Yes, sir. Number 28. Payosing for 3. Bang! Payosing. The ball. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Sanchez libre. What a pick and roll. Welcome to Abra Intertown. Peñarubia versus Banged Abra. It's a do or die. Ay, Banged won. And here's Milyare. Passes to Mactalio. Corner pass. And here's Milyare. Pass back. Mactalio. Stop. 4-3. Rejected. And lost the handle. And recovers. And here's number 17. He stop. Takes the bounce pass. Number 1. Pull up J. And the lucky bounce. First ball. Mactalio now in hurry. Goes inside. Penetrate. Bucket. Here is Tadeo against Mactalio. Atake. Loses the handle. Stolen by Milyare. Milyare against Tadeo. He stops. Hook pass. And Corpus to Mactalio. Goes to the screen. Deep 3. Bang! And stops. Pass to Tadeo. Cross pass. Trinidad for 3. Too strong. Rebound Milyare. Milyare goes to the middle. Stops. High pass. Mactalio with the ball. He dribble. Fires another 3. Bam! Same. Tentong score natin. Fires. Bucket. Down to C. At the logo area. Pass to Milyare. Inside pass. Pull up J. Sanchez. Won't go. Rebound Corpus. Reverse layup of the window. Money. Milyare. Pass to Sanchez. Sanchez now with the ball. And ball is stolen by Tadeo. Tadeo against Milyare. Binitbit Pinasa. Of the glass. Wala. Second chance. Will finish. Milyare against Tadeo. Pass to Sanchez against Trinidad. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Sayo long pass. Here's number 2 against Milyare. Attacks. Inside pass. Trinidad pinabitin. The follow-up shot with number by Mactalio. Mactalio all alone. Bumangga pa. Wala. Follow-up shot by Corpus. Goes to the wings. High pass Sanchez. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. The elbow shot back. And 6 seconds difference between the game clock and the shot clock. Here's Milyare. Bounce pass to Corpus. Shot clock down to 4. Falling away. Bullseye. And here's number 2. Cross pass. Tadeo for 3. That's the end of the first. And corner pass. Cross pass to the middle. Number 28. Payosing for 3. Bang! Payosing against Tadeo. Passes to Mactalio. Mactalio dribbling the ball. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Sanchez libre. What a pick and Trinidad receives. Cross pass. Deep 3. Bang! Trip. Tadeo. Pass to Trinidad. Bounce pass to Celso. Celso. Pass to Tadeo. Trinidad left alone. Fires at 3. Won't go. Rebound by Corpus. Pass to Milyare. Milyare to Mactalio. Mactalio goes to the screen. Goes inside. Penetrates. Hook shot. Yes, sir. That to Payosing. Payosing. Pull up jet the free throw area. No good. Walang nakakashoot mga idol. Ang tibay ng laban. And passes to Mactalio. Mactalio is slowly dribbling the ball. Take it cool, easy, and attacks. Inside pass, the connection. No! Inunahan ko. Is Tadeo. Cross the mid lane. He's at the top. High pass to Trinidad. Pass back Tadeo. And another 3. Bang! Dane! Mactalio goes to the wings. Waiting for his teammates to Milyare. Inararo. Fires. Neged. Rebound. Kicks out. Mactalio. Mactalio goes to the screen. Attacking the defense. Bump. Kinaldagan. Inside pass to Corpus. Hook shot. Easy 2. Number 28 setting the play at the wing arm, passes to baseline corner. Salcedo inside pass, another extra pass and a bucket for 2-3. Mactalio goes to the screen. Milyare will attack. Bounce pass, Corpus pinabitin. Bakit na naman Corpus? And inside pass, Celso lays it off the window, Manny. Milyare against Payosing to Corpus. Corpus against Trinidad. Fakes, attacks. Lays easy to Corpus. And here's Mactalio nakalusot. Pinangga. Lays bakit Mactalio. The end of Tadeo against Milyare. Drives to the hoops. Won't go. Nagkabanggaan yung magkasama. And here's Corpus. Corner. Pull up Jay Sanchez. No good. Rebound again. Sanchez will attack the floater. Yes, sir. Sanchez. Trinidad. Jace. Yes, sir. And one. And rebound near Mactalio. Against Tadeo. The side step, the lace, and the bucket. Milyare crosses the mid lane. Against Tadeo. Passes to the corner. Milyare. Pass back Milyare. Pass to Sanchez. Attacks against Trinidad. Fires, yes sir. Sanchez. Cross the mid lane. Attacks against Milyare. Kicks out. Open look for 3. Bang! 3. And here's Milyare against Tadeo. Corner pass. And Tadeo, Milyare. Sanchez guarded by Trinidad. Pull up J. Bucket. Sanchez. Milyare. Tadeo. Pass to Payosing against Milyare. Goes to the screen. Corner pass. Trinidad for 3. Won't go. Rebound by Celso. Potter nugget. Too short. Put back shot. Bucket. To Milyare. To Sanchez. Falling away. Bullseye. Sanchez. Tadeo. Pass to Trinidad. Trinidad to Celso against Corpus. And here's Alvarez, stop, fires at 3. Too strong, rebound Tadeo will attack. The floater, won't go. Rebound again, Tadeo, the floater once again. Wala pa rin. Tadeo pa rin, floater pa rin. Bucket, the third shot. And here's Milyare to Mactalio, Punas Sapatos. Guarded by Punas Sapatos. Step back for 3. Not good. Rebound. Mactalio will attack. Kicks out, Milyare tries a 3. Bang! And here's Tadeo. Bounce pass to Payosing. To the wings for 3. Bang! Another 3. 16-point lead for Bangged 1. And here's Sanchez. Kicks out. Milyare. Lost the handle. Recover by Mactalio for 3. Bang! Mactalio. Inside pass is stolen by Tadeo. Stops. Inside pass. Celso. Fires off the window. Yes, sir. 1. Corpus. Against Celso. Sa gitna. Milyare for 3. Bang! Milyare. End of the third quarter action here. Tadeo with the wing arms. Fires at 3. Bang! Another. Mactalio. Setting the play. He attacks to the baseline. He lays. Yes, sir. And 1. Rebound. And here you go. Celso to the hoops. Basket and 1. Milyare. Pass to Corpus. Pass to Mactalio. Goes to the screen. Bounce pass. And rejected. And Payosing. Pass to Tadeo. Pass back. Payosing. Pull up J. Short. And the pass break. Mactalio. Side step lace. Scoop layup. No good. The follow-up shot by Corpus. And bounce pass. Corner. Celso. Pass back. Hale. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Alvarez to the middle. Trinidad lace. Yes, sir. Mactalio. Goes to the screen. Will attack. Kicks out. Stolen. Pass break. And all alone to the hoops. Easy lace. And here's Milyare wasting the time. He goes to the screen. He stopped. Corner pass. Open look. Corpus. Short. And gets his own rebound. And no good. Rebound, put back, still won't go. Rebound Tadeo. Tadeo will attack. Pass inside. Lays easy to Celso. And crossover. Oh, Ferrer. Straight to the house. Rejected! Woo, woo, woo. Congratulations, Bangged 1.